Hello all, good morning. This is Dr. S. Subbalakshmi, an assistant professor in the Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. This is a lecture video series on the course Probability and Statistics, and we are on to the topic Probability and Random Variables. In the previous classes, we have seen definitions, terms related to probability and axioms of probability. But today, we are going to see some problems on basics probabilistic things. The problem goes like, from a bag containing 5 white balls, 6 green balls, and 3 balls are drawn with replacement. What is the chance that all are of same color? They are alternatively of different colors. All are of same colors and they are alternatively of different colors. So what will be the sample space? Sample space, yes, is equal to 5 white balls and 6 green balls here. What will be the sample space? 5 white balls and 6 green balls. Now, for the first question, what is the probability that all are of the same color? This was the question. So, moving on to the actual question, probability of that all the balls drawn are of same color, which is equal to probability of all are white, or we can say all are green, because only two set of two colors of balls are there. Probability of all are white or all are green. So what will be the probability of all are white or all are green? If we say or, we'll have to introduce plus symbol here. So because we are just adding both of the probabilities here. Therefore, the first option will be probability of all are white plus probability of all are green. So what are the probability of all are white? First white ball, second white ball, and third white ball. Here we can look on to it. This is the first white ball, second white ball, and third white ball will be the probability of first term. And as always, as similarly, the second term will also contain first green ball, second green ball, and third green ball. So what will be the probabilities of all those things? First white ball, to gain the first white ball, we'll have 5 out of 11, and for the second white ball 5 out of 11, and third white ball 5 out of 11, since in the question it is given as with replacement. With replacement means in each and every draw we will replace the ball or put the ball inside the bag, and the total number of balls in the bag's count will be 11 as always. So in a similar case, to draw a green ball, we'll have the probability as 6 out of 11 for the first green ball with replacement, 6 out of 11 for the second green ball, and for the third case also 3 out of 11, 6 out of 11 for the third green ball as well. Now moving on to the probabilistic values here. So on finding the values, we'll have 5 by 11 into 5 by 11 into 5 by 11. Since we have introduced here, since we have all the probabilities together here, we have this multiplication symbol, and this or this, either this may happen or this may happen, either this may happen or this may happen. Therefore introduce, we have plus here. Since we are adding up all the things, we have multiplication symbol here, and either this may happen or this may happen. Therefore it will have plus in the middle. Now on simplifying, you will have the probability of all are of the same color as 341 by 100,331. So this will be the probabilistic value for the first question. Moving on to the second question. What will be the second question here? From a bag containing 6 yellow cards and 7 green cards, 4 cards are drawn without replacement. 4 cards are drawn without replacement. What is the chance that all are of the same color? They are green, yellow, yellow, and green in that order. So here the major drawback here is we have a symbol that without replacement. We have an identification that without replacement, which means the balls drawn are once drawn or drawn, and it cannot be put back into the bag. So the number of balls inside the bag will get reduced while one and again drawing. Now we have the sample space here. So now the question is, sample space S is equal to 6 yellow cards and 7 green cards. What we have to draw? We are drawing 4 cards out of 6 yellow cards and 7 green cards here. So first question is, all are of the same color. If the probability of, to find the probability of all are of the same color. How many cards we are drawing? Only 4 cards we are drawing. Therefore, probability of the first will be all are all yellow, plus the second will be all are green. If all are yellow, in the first draw, 1 yellow, second yellow, third yellow, and fourth yellow. This will be the case. And in a similar way, second draw, 1 green, 2 green, 3 green, and 4 green. This will be the case here. Since we have OR symbol here, we have a addition symbol here, and since we have everything to be calculated here, we have a multiplication symbol here. This is what we have explained in the previous problem also. Now, what is the probability of these drawing yellow card, first draw and the second draw, third draw and fourth draw? In the first case, total number of balls inside the bag is, total number of cards inside the bag is 13, and therefore out of 13 we are going to draw only one number of yellow cards here is 6 from the 6 yellow cards we are drawing 1. In a similar way, out of 12 cards we are drawing yellow card, which will be 5 in count, and later out of 11 cards we will be drawing 4. In that 4 only we will have a choice there. In that 10, around that you'll have, in the 10 cards you'll be drawing only 3 cards will be the remaining yellow cards here. So this is how we draw, or we write the probability of the drawing yellow card from a bag of cards, since it is given that without replacement, once the card is drawn from the bag, it is drawn and it will not be replaced inside the bag. In a similar way, if you are drawing one green ball out of 13 balls inside the bag, and in 13 balls we have only 7 green balls. In the second case, one is drawn already, therefore total number of balls will be 12, and the cards inside the bag will be number 6. 1 will be reduced. In a similar way, in the third draw, you will have only 11 balls, total number of cards inside the bag, and from 6 number of green cards, you will have only 5 cards remaining. In a similar way, the last one also goes. And on simplification, you will have the value to be 10 by 143. And in the second case, you are going to say they are green, yellow, yellow and green in that order. Green, yellow, yellow and green. So this is how your order is. Green, yellow and green is your order. So you are just adding it up. First ball is green, second ball is yellow, third ball is yellow and fourth ball is green. So without replacement means you are just taking out the cards here. Out of 13 balls, 7 are green. Out of 12 balls, 6 are yellow. Out of 11 balls, 1 is drawn, therefore 5 are yellow. Out of 10 balls, 6 are green remaining. So on simplification, you will have 21 by 286 as the answer. So this is how we do a problem on probability and random variables, and we will have continue this problems in the next videos also. Thank you.